Hello everyone. This is going to be the most expected question from the point of your board examination, at least for 2 marks. So let's have a look on it. Electron dot structure for ethene as well as ethyne. Always remember, if it is single bond, it will have 2 electrons. If it is double bond, it will have 4 electrons. If it is triple bond, it will have 6 electrons. Now, let us see the structure for ethene. So this is going to be the structure of ethene, where double bond is placed in between the carbon atoms, okay, and single bonds are also placed. So let us remove, to write the electron dot structure, we have to remove the bonds. Here 2 bonds were there, just place 4 electrons. Here single bond is there, so just place 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons and 2 electrons. Remember, carbon is having 4 electrons in the outermost shell. To attain an octet configuration or to attain stability, it should have 4 more electrons. So it is going to share with the hydrogen. So 4 are there, just put a circle. Now if you consider this carbon, 4 electrons are already there. So it is going to share with this particular hydrogen. So just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. Hydrogen is having 1 electron in the outermost shell. To attain stability, it should have 2 electrons because the first shell should at least contain 2 electrons, which you have studied in your previous class. So 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. Similarly, for ethene, you have to write the similar structure. Here triple bond is there, just place a 6 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single bond, 2 electrons, single bond, 2 electrons. 6 electrons are already there for this carbon atom. So 2 more electrons are needed. So just place a circle. Yes. If you consider this carbon atom, similarly 6 electrons are there. 2 more is needed. So just put a circle. For this particular hydrogen atom, you should have 2 electrons. Yes. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos like this, stay connected with us.